Make flat work less work with Tomahawk Portable Trowels, leaving painstaking hand-finishing tasks in the past. Today, we'll walk you through the steps to get your trowel ready for use. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, an 8mm wrench, SAE 10W30 4-stroke motor oil, unleaded gasoline with a pump octane rating of 86 or higher, and optionally, zip ties. Start by carefully removing all parts from the box. Locate the pole with the 2 holes meant to attach the throttle. Insert the silver end of the pole, featuring the push-button locking pin, into the slot of the trowel. Ensure that it's properly locked into position. Next, connect the throttle by placing 2 rubber washers over the screws. Then insert the screws into the right side of the pole. Add the remaining washers and nuts to the end of the screws and fasten tightly using a Phillips head screwdriver and an 8mm wrench. Connect any additional 4-foot poles as needed. If this is your first time using the trowel, Tomahawk suggests starting with 1 or 2 poles until you're comfortable operating the machine. When adding more poles, you'll need to adjust the pole's angle in order to operate the trowel comfortably. When adding poles, lower the pole's tilt at the pitch yoke found at the base of the trowel. When using fewer poles, raise the pole's tilt. The trowel's handles add extra operator stability and comfort during operation. However, they're not necessary to operate the machine. Finally, you may optionally tie down the throttle cable with a zip tie. To pitch the blades upwards, turn the handle clockwise. To lay the blades flat, turn the handle counterclockwise. To start the engine, fill the oil reservoir with exactly 100 milliliters or 3.4 ounces of SAE 10W30 4-stroke motor oil. Do not overfill, as this could flood the engine. Then, fill the engine's fuel tank with unleaded gasoline with a pump octane rating of 86 or higher. Next, press the fuel injection bulb 3 to 5 times, or until fuel's seen flowing through the fuel lines. Place the throttle lever in the idle position and move the choke lever to the closed position if the engine's cold. If the engine's been running recently and is still warm, leave the choke lever in the open position. Finally, pull the recoil starter grip until you feel resistance. Then pull briskly. If the choke was closed, gradually open it as the trowel warms up. To begin troweling, place the trowel on the slab, set the blade pitch, and move the throttle lever to the run position. To move the trowel in a forward and backward motion, push the trowel outward, and then pull it towards you, similar to how you would handle a bull float. To move the trowel to the operator's left, lift up on the handle. To move the trowel to the right, push down on the handle. When floating, it's recommended to keep the blades flat and operate the trowel at half to 3/4 speed, overlapping each pass by half the trowel width. A second pass with a slightly higher blade pitch and 3/4 speed may be needed for the desired finish. Once the concrete's sufficiently hardened, increase the blade pitch and adjust as necessary to fill holes or smooth humps until your desired finish is achieved. For more tips and tricks on how to get the most out of your equipment, click subscribe today.